Hello everybody, this is Office Hours for March 13th, and I am excited to answer whatever questions you have for me. So the way that this works is I have a Zoom call that you can join and you can ask questions there. You can share your screen and we can work through any particular problem you have. And then after people in the Zoom are done asking questions, then I go to the Discord, and there's typically a couple of questions that people have asked since the last office hours that I answered through there, and people might add some more as well. And then I go to the live stream chat and answer any questions there, and we go about an hour. Sometimes it's quicker because there just aren't as many questions. And yeah, and then I stop the stream, and then I'll probably stream a little bit more today, some of my work. I've got some stuff around the RSS feed, like the media, I'm calling it the Meteors. It's the media RSS feed thing. So yeah, kind of a fun app, started with the Epic Stack and moving things around. So anyway, I feel like there was something else. Oh yeah, and if you do miss this office hours and you want to ask me a question, then you can drop it in the Discord, or you can also go to the Call Kent podcast, and let me show you what that looks like. Here you can see in the bottom corner I've got Zoom open, so when you join the Zoom you can be on screen too. Yeah, so if you go to my website, go to the Call Kent podcast, then you can record a question, and I will record my response to your question, and then our conversation turns into an episode on the Call Kent podcast. So with all that out of the way, I don't think, yeah, nobody's in the Zoom call right now. I see some people in the chat. We've got Dizun, sorry if I say that wrong, I probably did, on X, and Matt Lynch on YouTube. Hello, folks. And we have Discord here. So let's go to the last question. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, I think we only have one question, which is not completely unusual. Also, Ilim, I'm not sure how to say some of these names, but hi there from X. Okay, so this one we just got. Oh, and actually, you know what? I just remembered. I want to grab this link and stick it right here so that people know when they're going through this, they're like, okay, where's that office hours where you answered this? So let me actually so it looks like there may be a bug in the offline support of the Epic Stack, so, or not the Epic Stack, but Epic Shop. And so I'm not sure what I can do about this, to be honest. If the browser thinks that you're offline, then you're probably offline. But like you said, you're watching video, so you're clearly not offline. So there's something kind of weird about this. So here's how I know whether or not you are online. It is using this use sync external store. We have an event listener for online and offline. I think what it could possibly be is you might have your DevTools simulating your offline state, maybe. So let me show you what that would look like. So here I'm not offline. I can watch videos and everything. And if I go over here and I can say go offline. Here, let's, that didn't work the way I thought it would. Kind of expected, yeah, okay, here we go. There's a way to simulate it. Let me see if I can find it. I think it's in the, what's new? Oh, cool. Yeah, this is very cool. Calibrating CPU throttle presets. Calibrate, ooh. Yes, continue. Sorry, I'm just going to be distracted by this really quick because this is very, very cool. Nice. So a low-tier device is actually a 13.8x slowdown. Oh, man. This is very specific to my machine. I think that is way cool. Very excited about that. So now, I can go to, where's my memory, or no, Lighthouse? Hold on a second. Where's, and some things have kind of moved around, haven't they? Where's the profiler? It's under performance. They changed this a lot. Oh, here we go. There's the record button. Yeah, it's right there. Okay, anyway. So I can throttle, boom, to my calibrated presets. Oh, that's so cool. Anyway, I'm excited about that. Let's look at the network conditions. Here we can, yeah, okay, if we go to offline. No, that's not what I'm trying to do. Isn't there a way to simulate offline without actually being offline? It's not network throttling. It is, let's see, simulate, no. They changed some stuff too. There was a way to do it. Maybe it was turn it offline, but when I go offline, it triggers a refresh and all of this stuff doesn't work. I want to, okay. Isn't there a way to simulate being offline in the browser developer tools without actually disconnecting from the internet? Oh, you know what my problem is? I disabled the cache. I bet that's what the problem is. So if I go offline, no, I don't know. The thing is, even these simulations are not, they don't apply if your dev tools aren't open. So I'm guessing that's not the problem. Let's see. Yeah, throttling, select offline. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So, so that's probably not the problem. I'm not sure how this could break though. This is like really, really easy. The user request info, all that is doing is, oh, you know what? Maybe this could be the problem. Check connection. So this is how I server render whether or not you are online, is I check your connection to Cloudflare. And so if you're blocked from Cloudflare, that could be a problem. Yeah, let's see. What if I return false? We'll just do that right here. So if I return false here, yeah, you'll see we get a flash of offline state, but then when we land in the browser, it actually says, no, you're actually online. And so that shouldn't be it. Like once you get into the browser, you should be able to, like it'll update. I really don't know what this could be. Yeah. Whoops. Could you open an issue on the Epic Shop repo about this? Epic Shop issues. So my thinking is, like the problem is there are some aspects of the app that won't work if we detect that you are not online. So here we just render whether or not you're online. This is navigation. We'll just show if you're not online, it doesn't show the video embeds, which is actually curious because you said that you did watch the video. Maybe you watched the onboarding video. I wonder if we have a block against that. Where's the question here? Let me look at that again. Yeah, so this is the corner of a video and it's showing like, hey, you're not online. I'm not even going to show you this because I want you to like solve that online situation. Watch the intro video without problems. So that would probably be the onboarding. This video right here. See, at least that video I remember to start with a smile. Sometimes I forget to start my videos with a smile, and it makes the first frame look really funny. Like that, I guess. To the full... No, I was... yeah, here we go. So that's the beginning. So see, I have like this funny face. I wish that I didn't do that. Yeah, so... I could watch the intro video without a problem. If I go to onboarding... Video, embed, video. Deferred epic video. And then this ultimately renders. I'm just trying to figure out why you were able to watch the onboarding if you were offline. Man, sure wish there was a reasonable way for me to simulate the offline mode. Here, how about this? Use online. Here we go. So here, this is actually harder than I thought it would be. Where's use is online. Whoop. Yeah, okay. So if I just return, instead of this, return false. There we go. Okay, so it looks like the onboarding video doesn't care whether you're online. And honestly, the other videos don't seem to care if you're online either. So what is it that you're not able to do if it says that you're offline? Like all of this stuff works still. Yeah, the Discord, the chat's not going to work if it thinks you're offline. Yeah, so I'm actually kind of confused. For this, if we think that you're offline, you're actually able to use everything except for the chat, which, yeah, that's not good. So still open an issue, but everything else seems to work fine. So if you could open an issue with details on what's going on, that would be helpful. Okay, that's all the Discord questions. Still nobody in the Zoom. And I've got one question from YouTube. Do you have a standing desk? Yes. In fact, you can find my stuff here at, you know what? I don't talk about my desk in here. Here's my desk setup. Yeah, here it is. My desk is a custom-made standing desk. And you can see a little preview of my office here. This is way cool.
Holy smokes.
Hi, I'm Kent C. Dodds. Welcome to my dream studio.
That's my office, and it's so great.
Dude, I've got a one wheel on my wall.
There you go. So that is my office, and that is my standing desk. Okay, good. Well, that's all the questions. We're going to undo these changes. We don't actually want to accidentally commit that. That would be bad. I wonder if there is a good reason to override that. This is online stuff, kind of is intended to be a progressive enhancement thing to prevent us from attempting things that you have to be online for. So we do have this cached for 10 seconds. And if it's successful, or if we say that you are online, then we say, yeah, for 60 seconds. But that's only for the server side aspect. Once you get in the client, then we just like say, set up the what am I trying to say? The event handlers. So I'm not sure what that could be. I'm really sorry. I hope we can find a solution. Okay, that is that. I'm not seeing any other questions coming in, so we're gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna turn this off, and then I will turn the stream back on for a coding session. Let me just double check. Oh yeah, so let's talk about the future live streams coming up. So next week, no live stream because I've got Paris. The week after that, I'm gonna be snowboarding on them hills for Epic WebConf. And then the week after that, we will do office hours. So we got 2 weeks of no office hours, and then, yeah, for the foreseeable future, every week after that. So we'll see you in 2 weeks. If you do have any other questions, feel free to hit me up on the Call Kent podcast, and I'll do my best to answer quickly. And with that, I hope you have a really awesome day. Bye.